Good morning, dear students. Today we will start again with our topic. This compare the fill in the circle with greater than, less than, or equals to sign. As you know that you were giving exam, so we have done this question number 1 in exercise 10.2. From today onwards for 3 days, 15, 16, and 17, you will only get videos. There will be no online class. Okay, so please don't call me, and I will clear your doubts once I will begin my maths classes. Okay, so the first question that we will be doing today is compare and fill in the circle with greater than, less than, or equals to sign. So the first question, as you can see here, a part 7 centimeter, a part is 7 centimeter, and we have to compare with 9 centimeter. Both are given in centimeter. Firstly, you have to check whether the units are same. As you can see that the units are same. Okay, as you can see the units are same, so the which one is smaller here, 7 or 9? Units are same, so it means that 7 is smaller and 9 is bigger. So here what you will do is you will close the beak in front of 7 centimeter, and then you will open the beak in front of 9 centimeter, as we have done in this notebook. So you will write like this. Now the second question here, 1400 centimeter and 14 meters. As you can see here, the centimeter, as you can see here, first one is given in centimeter, and second one is given in meters. Okay, so to compare this numbers we have to change in same units. आपको दोनों जो है या तो सेंटीमीटर्स में चाहिए और या फिर meters में चाहिए. Both should be in same units. Okay, so here what you have to do is, this is centimeter and this one is meter. So what we can do is we can change this meter into centimeter. So for changing 1 meter, as you know that 1 meter is equals to 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equals to, जब हम बड़े से छोटे में जाते हैं, you have to multiply. Okay, so 1400 centimeter is given and here 14 meters, so we have to change this into centimeters. तो आप क्या करोगे, आप 100 से multiply कर दोगे क्योंकि आप big से small में जा रहे हो. So this one will remain same, आपको exactly लिखना है, but here you will, as you are going from meter to centimeter, you have to multiply by 100. So it will become 1400 same, but here as you multiply, I have told you when you multiply any number with 100, you have to put these 20 after the number. So 14 multiply by 100 is equals to 1400. As you can see, both the numbers are same, so what you can do is you can put is equals to sign. Okay, so I have put is equals to sign here. Next is 1000 meters and 1 kilometer. 1000 meter is equals to 1, we have to compare here. Third one, 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. So we have to compare here. So 1000 meter and 1 kilometer. Firstly, you will write 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Okay, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So this one is already here also, meter and kilometer. Both the units are different. So you have to change it into same units. So we will change it into meters. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So 1000 मीटर जो है यहाँ पे 1 जो है मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा दिस 1000 से. सो वी विल राइट 1000 हेयर. 1000 जो है 1000 के इक्वल होता है. 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 करोगे तो सेम नंबर विल बी गिवन. सो हेयर 1000 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 आ गया. सो आंसर विल बी इज इक्वल्स टू, सो इट विल बी इक्वल. Now here 1500 centimeter is given and 15 kilometer is given. Okay, so what we are having, we know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1 lakh centimeter. 1 lakh centimeter, how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 zeros are there. So you will write 5 zeros. Okay, so 1500 centimeter is there and this one we will multiply with, किलोमीटर से सेंटीमीटर में जा रहे हैं तो मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 1 2 3 4 5. यही वाले सारे के सारा नंबर यहाँ पे लिखेंगे, 15 लिख दोगे. So you have to write this 15 here and this number you will write here. So you will multiply and you will put these 5 zeros after 15. Okay, आप ये सारी 5 zeros जो है 15 के पीछे लिख दोगे. So now this will become 15 lakh and this one will become 15,000. So which one is bigger? Obviously this one is bigger. Okay, so you will write that you will open the beak in this side. So this one 43 meter and 43 centimeter and 14 kilometer and 140 meter is your homework. Okay, both of them is your homework. Okay, now question number 3 here everyone. Question number 3 we will be doing in book. Question number 3 we will do in the book. So what you have to do is, Rahul has drawn a house using a ruler. Mark 3 lines of the same length in red. What is their length? As you can see here, if I compare, you have to just find 3 equal lengths first. You have to find 3 equal lengths here. So which one is the equal length? As you can see here that these 3 lines are equal. Okay, so he said that if the lines are equal, just check whether these lines are equal. Firstly, which side you will use? This side you will use. This small lines in millimeter and this 0 to 1 is centimeter. So how you will measure this one? It is 3.5, right? It is 3.5. Here also 3.5. I hope it is clear to you. How? Just look at here. 1, 2, 3 and this big line. This big line in between 3 and 4 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This big line, as I will remove this. As you can see, there is a big line in between 3 and 4. This one, long one, is 0.5. Okay, so 3.5 and again 3.5. So I have already marked these lines red. You have to color this red and then write down their length is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, the window is square. What is the length of each side of the square? Okay, आपको इसकी length measure करनी है. As you can see here बेटा, it is not total 1. 1 से एक line जो है पीछे आ रहा है, it is coming like this. So it means that it is equals to 0.9. ओके, बिकॉज एक 0 to 1 के अंदर 10 लाइन्स होती हैं. सो दिस इज कमिंग, एक लाइन पीछे है तो आप इसमें लिखोगे 0 to 0.9. सो 0.9 सेंटीमीटर वी विल राइट. ओके, व्हाट इज द हाइट ऑफ द डोर? साइड लेंथ ऑफ द साइड, आपने डोर की हाइट करनी है तो हाइट ऐसे मेजर करेंगे आप. सो इट विल बी इक्वल्स टू 1.8. 1.8. Okay, so it is equals to 1.8. 1.7 also correct, 1.8 because there is a line between. So it is 1.8 centimeters. You have to just make 1.8 centimeters. Okay, you can write it here. Now Priyanka buys some decorative sticks tape for 25 centimeter each. हर टेप जो है 25 सेंटीमीटर की है. दिस स्टिक नीड्स टू बी फिटेड अलॉन्ग वॉल. आपको टेप जो है पूरी वॉल के उस पर लगानी है, विच इज़ 200 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग, जो कि 200 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग है. व्हाट इज़ द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ स्टिक्स नीडेड टू कवर द लेंथ ऑफ द वॉल? पूरी लेंथ जो है कवर करने के लिए वॉल की, हाउ मेनी टेप्स यू आर रिक्वायर्ड? सो व्हाट यू विल डू इज़, length of one decorative stick is 25 centimeter. Total length to be covered by the stick is 200 centimeter. ना number of sticks required, आपको पूरी लेंथ जो है कवर करनी है वॉल की, एंड आपकी लेंथ की जो वो है 225 सेंटीमीटर. टोटल लेंथ जो है वो तुम्हारी 200 सेंटीमीटर है. नंबर ऑफ स्टिक्स जो है, अब क्या करोगे, 200 डिवाइडेड बाय 25. सो 200 कम इन द टेबल ऑफ 25 एट 8. ठीक है, आप 25 को 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, यू विल गेट दैट 200 कम इन द टेबल ऑफ 25 एट 8. सो इट विल बी, you will minus that and you will get 0. so 8 sticks will be required. okay, 8 sticks जो है required होंगी आपकी इसके लिए. Now question number 5, question number 6, I will, these two questions are almost same. You can do this one in book only. Okay, this you can do in the book, this one will remain homework for you people. Okay, so this one is your homework and this you can do it by yourself. Rahul broke his ruler. He used a part of the broken ruler. As you can see that the ruler is broken here, so he is using this part of the broken ruler to measure the length of the ribbon. What is the length of the ribbon? Now length of the ribbon क्या है आपके पास में? Okay, so you can put this thing here and last में अगर आप देखोगे तो ये 6 पे ख़त्म हो रहा है. Okay, so it means that it is equals to 6 centimeter. It will be equals to 6 centimeters. What is the length of the ribbon? 6 centimeter. centimeter. Okay, so you will write 6 centimeter here. Now you have to measure this pen like this only. आपको ये भी इसी तरीके से measure करना है. Put this line and hit here. It is also almost same. So you can do this by as your homework, and here you can write 6 centimeter because we have measured that this is equals to 6 centimeter. So students, by this your exercise is over, and this much we will be doing today. Bye bye. Tomorrow also you will be getting a video, and day after tomorrow also. Bye bye.